everybody, it's Monday. It's Time Rancher Day. What is up, everyone? Okay. Oh my god. The buttons. The buttons. Hold the hell on. Hold on, wait. Okay, cool. How do you... That one. Okay. Whoa. No. Hell. No. I just want to change the back. Aha. That one needs to be that, and that one needs to be that. There we go. Okay. Okay, we did it. Anyways, what's up, everyone? So, a few things. I know not a whole lot of people, like, watch a lot of this series all the way through. I think that's mostly because of how laggy the videos are. That should have been fixed because I'm using a different recorder, but since I'm using a different recorder, it took me, like, literally forever to deal with the audio. And I still don't think it's great. So if there are problems with that, just let me know. I might post videos a little late in the day this week. Like, not... What the hell? I'll still post Monday through Friday. It just might be a little late. I have a lot of doctor appointments this week that are jumbling up my schedule. And there is a YouTuber that I think you guys should check out. The channel name is I Am Tired. That speaks to my soul. It's... Oh, I'm sorry. They have good videos. I randomly found them. And they get, like, no views on their videos, and I think they deserve more views. I don't get a whole lot of views either, but I get, like, you know, less than 0 or more than 0. Dumbass. More than 0, and I feel like, you know, giving them some more attention to anyone that watches my videos, you know, because I can, would help them out. They'll be linked in the description. And I think you guys should go check them out, go subscribe to them, go like them. They have no idea that I'm doing this, they don't even know me. I just found their channel and I like it, so I wanted to tell people about it because I think they deserve more love. So y'all do that. Go subscribe to them, ignore me. And then we'll have a great old time. Oh wait, jeez. I keep thinking I have like 20. I don't. Oh wait, I have 40. I keep thinking I have 40 when in reality I have 20. Okay, the Q-berry was like in the thingamabobber. Alright, come on. Yeah. Oh my god. I'm very bad at like the sensitivity and shit. Ah, this one I can just click down. It's amazing. That is a thing that is underappreciated. Stupid chicken, come here. I'm here. Goddamn idiotic Kenhan, go on. Do I have a port collector? I do have a port collector, I just don't have an auto feeder. And this poor thing has nothing to its name. Hold up. Let's say I don't. Okay. So, let's see what we need for, like, things we need. Hold on. That doesn't make any sense. Alright, let's see what we need here. We have that. A heart module. Probably need that. Won't even lie. Power core. Boom. We have that. Tabby, rock. Whole lot of things. Okay, so we need to get. I got lost. We need to go this way. Golly, the energy runs out so fast. I'm not used to it. Okay. So we need to like get money for these anglers. I like the anglers. You get money so we can have a corral. Yep. To put them in. Alright. Alright, let's upgrade this real quick. Alright. Seven and 9. Wrong one. The auto feeder. And let's put the auto feeder there. There we go. Alright, just pop out the ports. Wow, 20 exact. It's kind of weird that y'all are at 20, but you know. The hen always gets stuck and it's kind of cute. Alright. Oh my god, wait, we have baddie slimes, don't we? Oh. Oh, I'm sorry, little ones. Hold on. Hold on, I'm coming to you. I forgot. Oh my god. I'm the worst person in the world. Ah. I'm horrible. I'm so sorry. You cute as button things. I'm so sorry. Hi. They get so happy. Alright, come on, come on. Yeah. Oh, it tipped him away! Made him goes whoop. Oh my god, I love their little sounds. Eat it. Are you happy? Oh no, you're not happy. You're. Oh, you're happy. Oh my goodness. Okay. Are you happy? Oh, you're happy. Oh, they're so cute. Ah, its face. Ooh. Yes. Need it, need it, need it, need it, need it. Come on. Okay, okay, okay. Who's not happy? Are you happy? Oh, you're happy now. Okay. Everyone happy? How about now? You don't look happy. Okay, let's activate the float collector. Wahaha. Maybe I should make fatty anglers. I don't know how they look. I think I had like an idea for the anglers, but I can't remember it. Did I have an idea? This is what y'all have to put up with, and I'm sorry. Like I'm a few brain cells short. I just love them. You poor things. Alright, let's see. Okay, let's look at the ports. Okay, so we have cotton ringtails. We have phosphor tabs. We have crystal honeys. So we still need butterfly, boom, rock pink, hunter. I really just don't know. Alright. There we go. Because I need to mix these with something. Alright. Oh, so close. They're hungry. Shoots it up. Oh my god, what the fuck are y'all doing? No, bad sea hens. Bad. You stay in there and think about what you've done. Do I have more sea hens and hen hens? Oh my god, it's so difficult. Let me get in. Ooh. Oh, I'm sorry. Just rolling down the stairs, huh? Just gonna roll down. Another briar. What just happened? 1, 2. I'm sorry, little one. Oh, you're so mad. Baby zooped. Oh! Oh my god, they get zipped. They go poof. I always expect hens to like grow just a teeny bit faster. Oh my god, the sea hens are so derpy looking. What? I'll admit, I kind of love it. I kind of love it. Oh my god. I need a plush of this slime that has a bink feature. Cause I absolutely love the fucking thing. Oh my god. There we go. Did I get all these? I did. Okay. Let's gather up the water lettuce. My brain said water lily. The other half of the brain went, that's not it, it's water lettuce. And what came out was water lily. That's not it either. Here, I'll go get y'all some chickens. Look at all those chickens. Just zoop up out of nowhere. I'll take that. Jumps in. Or hens. No. No. No! Am I gonna sacrifice them? Yep. Why am I saving their life? Couldn't tell you. They're still like, hey. Stuff this way? Take that as a yes. How do I get up there? Let's let it... Alright. Ooh. Oh, mad kitties. Mad kitties. Mad kitties. Oh no. Fuck. What is this? Oh, mad kitties. They're so mad and grr. Okay. Dun, dun, dun. Da, 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 da. Where am I? Did I just go in a giant circle? I did. I thought I saw a putty tat. I did see a putty tat. Same vibe. You can't tell me I'm wrong. Oh no, the chickens. The chickens, the chickens. Am I saving the chickens? No. They're just gonna go somewhere else to die. That's what we do. Save the chickens just to murder them later on. Cycle of life. Ah, big little phosphorus. I wanna pop it. Okay, so can you not? Can you stay over here? Okay, we're gonna toss 5 over here. Then we're gonna go here. And we're just gonna let loose. Blood collector. Hooray. I like how they confuse themselves, which is cute. Alright, well, let's see what slimes we need to get. We need to get a boom. The butterfly and the hunters. Let's go see if we can find some. Boom, butterfly hunters. Let's see. I'm recording this at 3 in the morning. Because that's a smart idea. So pretty. I want to live here. Just look at it. Just look at it. I need several in my life. Aha! Whoa! I love them so much. The wiggly jiggliness. Okay. See if we can find what we need. See if we can do it. Let's see. Ooh. Heartbeats. Yeah. Good golly, guys. An odd onion. I don't trust this onion. Even less so than normal onions. Good God. Oh, they're so mad. Time to gaggle sea hens. No! Where? Yes! Yee. Come back. Hello. Oh, come on. Give me that. Oh my god, they're gonna eat me. Good golly. Yay. Pull the liver, Kronk. Wrong liver! Okay, why does she even have that liver? I don't like those sounds. Right, well apparently that happened. I need to find hunters. You know, like hunters and a few other things. Oh no! Aha! Whoa! Hold on. Beam me up, Scotty. Looks like Team Rocket's blasting off again. My ass is just gonna fall into the slime sea one day. Hello. Whoop. I don't know why, but I thought the Radiant Ore would be more rare? What's the word? Whoa. Hold on. Ow! He said ow! No! Bitch. Okay, I'm very bad. That's not it. That's not it either. Very bad at getting around when I don't have a map. Okay, I'm bad at getting around when I do have a map, so. It's just like a nail in the coffin. Alright. Let's see if we can find ourselves a map or a butter slime. That's what I'm gonna call them. Instead of butterfly slime, it's butter slime. Strange diamond! Yeah. I'll happily take a strange diamond. Okay, the lava bed is cute. What is that? What is that? Is there more Radianor? Come here. Oh, hello, little crystal. Oh my goodness. Wait, what's mad at me? Is that Radianor? It looks like Radianor. It is. Is he stuck? He looked stuck. Okay, so let's... Are you a boom? You are. It's kind of hard to tell. Why? Hi! No. No. Two. Oh, you're mad. 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now, how do I get home? Because, like, I'm full. Okay? You're not buzzing, so I think I got you. You're not going buzz, 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 buzz. Buzz, 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 buzz. I love little bee drones. They're so cute. Alright. There is death this way. And many other things. Probably just death. Oh! Ah, that's why there is death. There's death. Because there are very, very, very angry, explodey in your face slimes. Whoa. Oh. What's that? Oh, come on. Yeep, yeep, yeep. Oh my god. What the fuck? No, no. Oh, okay, this is just danger zone. Stop. Stop. Go, 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 go. Oh my god. What the fuck? I have to somehow get that way. I don't know how. Like, what? Is it gonna melt soon? How do you know when it melts? Is it just aimed to be as inconveniencing as possible? I'm gonna zip over there. And it's gonna be like, we're gonna turn back to lava now. Okay, 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 okay. Alright. We're in such pretty field lands now. Oh, look. Ooh. Map. Yes. Ooh. How do I get home? I see the fat one. How do I get down and not die? Okay. Good God. I trust nothing, I trust nothing, I trust nothing. Hello. Oh my goodness, you're so big. Oh. How do I get home? Uh-oh. You know what? We're gonna end the episode here because I don't think I'm gonna make it back home. Alright, everyone. Wish me luck for the next video. I'll see you guys in the next vid. Bye!